times a day. Either our wallet won't take you or our stomachs. We're here in Wanaka for 2 nights, a little bit of relaxing. Lake is absolutely beautiful, and there's a lovely long walk along the side of the lake, which we followed down to the famous Wānaka Tree. It's very windy as you walk along, so we found a little spot here to sit out of the wind and just enjoy the scenery. There's the main bit of the town over there, shops and restaurants, and supermarket is over there. We're just walking back to our accommodation, which is at the Hampshire Holiday Park. It's really quite a chilled vibe here in Wanaka, and wherever you go, you've got the lake just at the back, and you're just surrounded all the time by mountains and hills. So we've been kind of sitting around enjoying the scenery. We've had a hectic few days getting to this point, seeing all the different things along the way, so it's been really nice just to chill out and relax. There's a few cruises to do out on the water, and a lot of people hike up Roy's Peak and around here, but we're just doing nothing.